In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM. We'll take a guided tour through the core areas you'll use every day, so you know where things live and how they fit together. Think of this as your orientation. We'll move from the home page into your records, activities, and finally your analytics, keeping everything simple and practical. Start on the home page. This is your command center, where dashboards and widgets highlight what needs attention. You'll typically see summaries like open tasks, sales pipelines, or recent updates. Use search and filters to quickly find records, and remember that most widgets are clickable, taking you straight to the underlying lists. Next, go to leads. Leads are unqualified prospects, people or companies you're not yet doing business with. The list view shows key columns like source, status, and owner. Open any lead to see details, a timeline of emails and calls, and related activities. Custom views help you focus on hot leads, recent signups, or any segment you care about. Move into contacts. Once someone is qualified, they're managed here as a person you do business with. Contacts are often linked to an account, so you can see who works where. Inside a contact record, use the related list to view notes, tasks, meetings, and emails in one place, keeping all touchpoints together. Head to Accounts. These represent the companies or organizations you serve. Accounts roll up all related contacts, deals, activities, and quotes, giving you a 360-degree view. Use sorting and filters to group accounts by industry, size, or territory for better territory planning. Open Meetings. This is where you see and schedule your appointments. You can view upcoming and past meetings, check participants, and align with calendars. Set reminders and confirm time zones to avoid misses and improve attendance. Go to Tasks. Tasks keep follow-ups on track. The list or Kanban view helps you organize by status or due date. Assign owners, set priorities, and track progress so nothing slips through the cracks. Click into Quotes. Quotes generate professional pricing proposals and track their status: draft, sent, negotiated, or accepted. Tie quotes to contacts or accounts to keep your pipeline and revenue reporting clean and accurate. Visit Products. This is your product or service catalog. Keep names, SKUs, and pricing consistent so quotes and deals pull the right information every time. Open Projects. Here you'll track post-sale work, milestones, and related activities. Linking projects to accounts and contacts keeps delivery aligned with your sales history. Go to Analytics. Dashboards visualize performance, conversion rates, pipeline health, activity volumes, and more. Adjust date ranges and filters to answer real-time questions. Finally, check reports. Use standard or custom reports to drill into trends, schedule email deliveries, and export data when needed. And that's your tour. Start at home, work your records, manage activities, and measure everything with analytics and reports.